So I came in the living room. This is where usually Hunter hangs out. So here, there's his mat. It's not there. His bouncy thing. His swing. Then Daddy's chair. Been hanging in Daddy's chair. Hi, honey. Hi. How are you? What you doing? Watching TV. Hi. Hey. Hunter. Hello. Hey. Honey. Hi, handsome. What are you doing? Yeah, just chilling. Look at him. Such a big boy. Yeah. Big boy. Yeah. That's what he